Crypto whales are constantly influencing the crypto market with their various investment schemes and announcements, leaving everyone to become staunch followers of them, their advice, and their next step. Elon Musk is one such influential persona who many look up to. Let's take a look at what he has to say about Safemoon. Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we shall be looking at some of the latest updates with regards to Safecoin and what Elon Musk has to say about it. Elon Musk is one person who loves to use the Twitter platform to express his opinions on a lot of things, and his opinions on the crypto world always seem to attract the attention of a lot of people. But before we get into talking about Elon Musk and the influence that he has on the crypto world, did you know that Elon Musk and the chief blockchain officer of Safemoon worked on the Dogecoin X spaceship partnership not so long ago? Well, it's true, but further details in this event of Elon being so close to a Safemoon employee is unknown to us. The US crypto market has gained massive hype ever since it was founded, and due to this, a lot of US exchange platforms have risen too, leading to tough competition amidst the various competitors in the US. But apart from them, CoinSpot is another exchange platform that has been around for quite a few years now that it's making big positive strides in terms of crypto. In fact, since this exchange platform is based in Australia, it brings about diversity in terms of its location, as most exchange platforms hail from the US. CoinSpot has been doing extremely well for a long time and has garnered more than 2 million users on its platform. But why are we talking about this platform, you may be wondering? Well, that's because Hayden Wing, Safemoon's director of sales, Hayden Wing is in talks with CoinSpot. And how do we know this? Well, a certain individual happened to pass a suggestion in the comment section of a certain video that spoke about Safemoon. To his suggestion, a member from the CoinSpot team replied that the development team had been notified of the suggestion and they would be looking into it. In simple terms, this means that Safemoon could be listed on CoinSpot very soon. Only time will tell if this becomes a reality or not. Now let's get back to Elon now and take a look at his recent dealings. Elon Musk recently sold a lot of Bitcoin and everyone was confused about what to infer from this big decision of his. This Bitcoin was a part of his company, Tesla's holding, and he gave away a huge percentage of it. If you're wondering what percentage of the coins he sold, it was a whopping 75%. With that, they're now said to have just $936 million left with them to tally out on their balance sheet. Prior to this, Elon was making headlines due to him announcing that Tesla would now be able to accept and deal in Bitcoin payments. Everyone was very excited as the concept was fairly new, and everyone wanted to be a part of the bandwagon. But shortly after he announced this, he put a halt to this decision and stated that the cause of this halt was the mining, as it was causing a lot of environmental damage. However, many analysts and experts believe that there's a bigger picture to this all, and that it wasn't just this reason that made Elon regret making this decision, forcing him to pull back on his word. Not so long after all these events played out, inflation spread all across the world, affecting economies and various companies, both big and small. Tesla too took the brunt of the hit, and with the crypto crash lasting long weeks, Bitcoin was barely able to salvage its price. So Bitcoin was down, Tesla was selling their Bitcoin, and investors were confused about whether to hold on to their coins or sell them before the losses worsen. Now to take a deeper look into Tesla and its Bitcoin investment, Tesla had bought Bitcoin that was worth $1.5 billion. Furthermore, its previous quarters were quite promising and reached $1.2 billion. As of now, Tesla is said to have around only $218 million worth of coins or digital assets in their grasp. So all in all, things are not looking great for Tesla and Elon Musk too. Could this reduce or nullify Elon's strong influence that he once had on the crypto market? It could happen, but only time will tell. Another famous coin that Elon Musk is known to talk highly about is the meme coin Dogecoin. Elon and this coin have a long history, and if you actually look into his portfolio, he still has held onto his Dogecoin. Could this mean that Dogecoin is going to impress us all with its sudden increase in price, or are we simply overreading the situation? Also, could it be that Elon saw no future in Bitcoin and hence got rid of a massive chunk of it? Well, though it sounds possible, it doesn't seem logical, as Bitcoin is one of the strongest coins out there. In fact, all other coins use Bitcoin as a comparative source, may it be in terms of performance or price. Tesla is a great company, but it also faces its fair share of issues, and if you keep up with Tesla-related news, you would know about how the battery shortage issues have been causing major hindrance. So in order to keep their boat afloat, Elon had to make the rather risky decision of selling Tesla's Bitcoin in return for cash. Experts have tried to make sense of what is currently happening, by comparing it to a time when Tesla bought Bitcoin, which was worth more than $1 billion, and this rocked the market. In fact, a surge of a whopping 60% was witnessed when Elon made this big buy. In short, it was evident that Elon had a massive influence on the market. But will his recent decisions change his fate? Well, when Elon sold 75% of Tesla's Bitcoin, the market did not show tremendous volatility, as it did when he bought a massive amount of Bitcoin. In fact, there was neither anything positive nor anything negative that was witnessed. Could this mean that Musk finally has lost his influence on the market? Maybe not lost completely, but just weakened. Michael J. Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, is a big fan of Bitcoin. He has invested a lot in Bitcoin through his company and has been a long-term investor in it. In fact, if we are to specify some numbers, MicroStrategy is said to own around 130,000 Bitcoin, which is almost worth $2.9 million. To top this all off, amidst the crypto crash, they went on ahead and bought 480 Bitcoins worth $10 million. This truly shows Michael's loyalty towards the coin and that he really does see Bitcoin getting out of this rut with exceedingly positive results. In fact, not so long ago, it was stated that MicroStrategy has its balance sheets functioning in a way that it adapts and adjusts the volatility in the industry without compromising its Bitcoin. That's how they were able to survive the 2022 crypto crash, and Michael's strong belief in the coin has kept him calm amongst the panic that seems to have spread out amongst the investors. Furthermore, Michael really doesn't agree with Elon's decision to sell his Bitcoin to be a smart one, and he even posted a cryptic tweet which in other words seemed like he was telling Elon that he may regret having made this decision. But this could also be Michael being biased, as he's a true Bitcoin advocate, and it was in fact him who encouraged Elon to give Bitcoin a shot. Elon was not an avid believer of crypto from the start, and his sudden interest in it changed the game drastically. There are only millions of users of cryptocurrency as we speak, and it's expected to touch the $1 billion mark by the end of the decade. With this, we can say that the industry is still in its infancy stage, and Safemoon has entered the game at just the right time. Safemoon still has a long way to go in terms of its adoption, but it surely will be able to keep the competition strong and going if it continues to deploy the tactics that it used when it entered the industry. What are your thoughts on Elon making Safemoon a huge token just like how he did with Dogecoin? Do you think Safemoon will survive the current bear movement that it's strapped in anytime soon? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. On that note, we come to the end of this video. We hope you were able to benefit from this video. Please do drop this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so as to turn on your post notifications. See you soon!